summer's around the corner or it gets hot and the weather's weird right now, it's a perfect actually opportunity to get any of these fans. These fans are great if you're going to work outdoors or if you're going to go camping. Now, not only is it going to cool your neck, but it also keeps bugs away too. That's something I kind of find out. Now, if you guys can see, there's two propellants in here. There's two powerful, very powerful fans that circulate around your neck. All right, it has a little very unique little area right here where you actually rest it in back of your neck, and this is silicone. And of course, there's two buttons. There's a button here and a button on this one. Now you could control both of them with one single button, and there's two charging stations, but you could plug it in either way. It's going to charge the same device. Look at how strong this thing is. All right, I'm going to hit one button from one side. Look at that. That's level 1, level 2, level 3. You can hear on level 3, level 4, level 5, and that is super strong. 6, up to 6. Now, people do get wet towels. Forget the wet towels. Upgrade your game. Get one of these. Put it at level 2, 3, 4, whatever you want, and just put it in your neck. So I'm going to demonstrate how it looks like. It's very comfortable because of the actual silicone that it has in the back of it. But once you get it going in the fan, if you get up to level 6, it's going to be a little noisy. But you know what? The people that are going to be looking at you are going to be people that are going to be jealous of you, of not having one of these. So if you're going to plan out to work outdoors or indoors or take it to the beach and it's a hot day, this is a perfect device. Very flexible. It fits pretty much any neck, and it could go in any velocity you want. So I hope you guys enjoy this video.